Dear students, I hope you are all fine at home. In last class we have studied about integral calculus, that is definite integral and indefinite integral. In today's class we are going to see about the fourth chapter, differential equations. In this chapter we are going to see about these four topics. The first one is about definition of ordinary differential equation. Second one, formation of ordinary differential equation. Third, order and degree of differential equation. And fourth one about family of curves. Now we are going to see about the first topic, definition of ordinary differential equation. That is, we are going to see about what is the meaning and definitions of the differential equation.
A differential equation is an equation with a function and one or more of its derivative. That is, it has a function as well as one or more of its derivative. That is an equation with the function y equal to f of x. And its derivative may be dy by dx or d square y by dx square, d cube y by dx cube. So it goes on like that. It is called a differential equation. So a differential equation must have its derivatives. So for example, here some examples are given. Dy by dx equal to x plus 5 or dy by dx equal to root of 1 minus x square divided by root of 2 minus y square, or it may be d square x by dt square plus m square x equal to 0. These are the examples for differential equation. So differential equations are of two types. One is ordinary differential equation and another one is about partial differential equation. But we are going to see only ordinary differential equation in this chapter. So formation of ordinary differential equation. So how to form a ordinary differential equation? So here they said about the definition of ordinary differential equation. That is, an ordinary differential equation is an equation that involves some ordinary derivatives. Here ordinary derivatives are dy by dx, d square by dx square goes on of a function and y equal to f of x. This is about an ordinary differential equation. Here we have one independent variable. Okay, this is about the definition of ordinary differential equation. So after that, in this chapter, the first 4.1 includes a sum related to order and degree of a differential equation. That is, the highest order derivative present in the differential equation is the order of the differential equation. For example, dy by dx plus d square y by dx square, like that it may be like that means. So the highest order is d square y by dx square. So degree is the highest power of the highest order derivative in the differential equation. Here we are finding order and degree. Order is nothing but highest order of the derivative. After finding the order, we have to find the degree. Okay, degree is nothing but the highest power of the highest order derivative in the differential equation. After the equation has been cleared from fraction and radicals as far as the derivatives are concerned. For example, consider the differential equation d cube y by dx cube, d square y by dx square whole cube plus dy by dx whole power 5 plus y equal to 7. Okay. Here, listen clearly. Here there are three things are there. One is dy by dx, another one is d square y by dx square, the third one is d cube y by dx cube. That is, it is in the order, first it is d cube y by dx cube, then it is d square y by dx square, dy by dx. So while finding the order, first we consider these things only. Okay, here the highest order is d cube y by dx x cube. Okay, after that the next one is d square y by dx square, then it is dy by dx. Okay, so here the highest order is nothing but d cube y by dx square. So you consider only the order, not the power. Don't see about the power. So here first you consider about the order. Here the highest order is d cube y by dx cube. For this order we have to find the power. So the power of this order is 1, because nothing is given means the power is 1. Now the power of the highest derivative d cube y by dx cube is 1. So degree of the differential equation is here 1 and the order is d cube y by dx cube. So based on this we are solving some problems in example 4.1. Okay, so here nearly 7 sums are given. The first one is d square y by dx square plus 3 dy by dx plus 4y equal to 0. This is the question. Now we are going to see about the solution for this. Listen, here two things are given. One is dy by dx, another one is d square y by dx square. What is the order here? Highest order. Find the highest order. Highest order is d square y by dx square. Okay. So the order of this equation is 2. Okay. So first find the order. Afterwards we are going to see about the power of the highest order. So for this highest order you have to find the power. Okay. Don't see the power of all the derivatives. Only see the power of the highest order derivative. Here the highest order is d square y by dx square. For this the power is 1 because nothing is given. So it is the power of this is 1. Therefore degree equal to 1. This is the way we are finding the order and degree of the differential equation. Okay. So do you know, here one box is given. Do you know order and degree if defined of a differential equation are always positive integer? So they are always in positive integer, not minus 1. The order is minus 2, no, minus 1. It is not coming like that. So it is always in positive integer. The second question, that is in first question, the subdivision 2. D square y by dx square minus 2 times of dy by dx plus 3 times of y equal to 0. Here y is given, dy by dx is given, d square y by dx square is given. So we have two derivatives. One is dy by dx and d square y by dx square. What is the highest order here? Here highest order of derivative is d square y by dx square. For this order we have to find the power, that is degree. Okay. So the power of this order is 1. So therefore the degree equal to 1. Now we are going to see about the third sum. So all the sum like that only. So I explain one by one. So third one, d cube y by dx cube minus 3 times of dy by dx whole power 6 plus 2y equal to x cube. So here there are two things are given, derivatives, recording the derivatives. One is dy by dx, next one is d cube y by dx square, dx cube. Here the order is 3 because the highest derivative is d cube y by dx square, x cube. Therefore order is 3. The power of this d cube y by dx cube is 1. Therefore degree equal to 1. Okay. The fourth question. So this type of questions are asked in one word answer. Okay. Rarely it is asked in 2 marks. So always it is used in one word. So fourth one, 1 plus d square y by dx square whole power 3 by 2 equal to a into d square y by dx square. Here also d square y by dx square in both the side, d square y by dx square is given, but before that we have to eliminate the radical sign. Okay. So already it is given in the definition, fraction and radical signs should be eliminated. After that only we have to find the order and degree. So here we eliminate the radical sign. Squaring, in order to eliminate the radical, that is 3 by 2. So in fraction it is 2 is given. Therefore I am squaring this both the side. If we are squaring both the side, 2 is eliminated. Therefore I am squaring both the sides. We are getting 1 plus d square y by dx square whole power 3 a square, that is it is squared, therefore a square d square y by dx square whole power 2. Listen, now there is no radical sign here. Okay. Therefore we are finding the highest derivatives. In both the sides the order is 2 because the highest derivative is d square y by dx square. Therefore order is 2. What is the highest power? That is the derivative's highest power. Here left side it is 3, right side it is 2. Highest power is 3. Therefore degree equal to 3. Okay. I think you understand well. Then fifth question, y dash is nothing by dy by dx. Y double dash mean d square y by dx square. Okay. So y dash plus y double dash whole square equal to x plus y double dash whole square. Okay. So before that, before solving these problems, so we write the formula for a plus b whole square formula. In right side x plus y double dash whole square is given. So in right side it is x square 2ab means 2x double dash plus y double dash whole square. In left side it is y dash plus y double dash whole square. Okay, so both the side y double dash whole square is there, so it is eliminated, that is cancelled. So we are getting y dash equal to x square plus 2x y double dash. That is nothing but y dash means dy by dx equal to x square plus 2x, y double dash means d square y by dx square. Here the highest order of derivative is d square y by dx square. Therefore order is 2. What is the power of this derivative highest order? D square y by dx square, it is 1. Therefore degree is 1. Okay. So before solving the question, before finding the order and degree, you have to eliminate the radical. Okay. As well as if some formulas are given means you have to apply that formula in order to get the correct answer. Then sixth question. D cube y by dx cube minus dy by dx whole power 1 by 2 equal to 0. Listen, here also 1 by 2 is given. So we have to eliminate this radical sign. For this, write the equation as d cube y by dx cube equal to dy by dx whole power 2. Whole power 1 by 2. So in order to eliminate these two, I am squaring both the side. We get d cube y by dx cube whole power 2 equal to dy by dx. Here 2 is eliminated, therefore we are getting dy by dx. What is the highest derivative here? D cube y by dx cube. Therefore order is 3. So for this order the power is 2. Therefore degree is 2. The next one, seventh subtopic, y equal to 2 into dy by dx whole square plus 4x dx by dy. So here dy by dx whole square is given, whereas after that 4x dx by dy is given. Okay, instead of dy by dx it is given as dx by dy. So we are multiplying by dy by dx. Okay, so both the side, left and right side, I am multiplying by dy by dx. So it becomes y dy by dx equal to 2 times of dy by dx whole cube plus 4x. Here dy by dx is multiplied as well as divided, means it is cancelled. Okay, so therefore our answer becomes 4 dy by dx equal to 2 times of dy by dx whole cube plus 4x. Here the order equal to 1 because all dy by dx is first order. Okay, so order equal to 1. The power of this order is 3, that is the highest power is 3. Therefore degree equal to 3. After that we are going to see about the family of curves. So if some family of curves is given, we are eliminating the arbitrary constants. After that we are finding the equation. Sometimes a family of curves can be represented by a single equation with one or more arbitrary. For example, mx plus c means here m and c both are arbitrary constants. By assigning different values for this constant, we get a family of curve. So the arbitrary constants are called the parameter of this family. Okay. For example, here 3 examples are given. One is y square equal to 4ax represent the equation of a family of parabola. Already you know about parabola. So this is the equation of parabola. Here having the origin as vertex where a is the parameter. Here a is given as a parameter. Likewise in second question, second example, x square plus y square equal to a square represent the equation of the family of circle having the origin as the center and a is the parameter. Here also a is the parameter. In third, y equal to mx plus c represent the equation of the family of straight line. So mx plus c equal to a family of straight line in a plane where m and c are parameter. Here 2 parameters are given, that is the 2 arbitrary constants is nothing but parameters. So 2 constants are given. So if the questions are given like this, means we have to eliminate these 2 constants by differentiating till the constants are eliminated. Okay, so this is about the family of curve. The next one about formation of ordinary differential equation. How to form this ordinary differential equation? Consider the equation x y1 y c1 equal to 0 where c1 is the arbitrary constant. We form the differential equation from the equation. For this differential equation with respect to x, independent variable occur in the equation. For here one variable is occur. So eliminate these arbitrary constants. Here we have to eliminate c by way of differential equations. We see about this in this example 4.2. So if you see after watching this 4.2 example, you understand how to eliminate the arbitrary constant. Find the differential equation of the family of a straight line. So straight line y equal to mx plus c is given. Here there are three types of conditions are given. The first condition is m is an arbitrary constant. Second is about c is an arbitrary constant, and third m and c, that is both are arbitrary constants. So if it is an arbitrary constant, that is a parameter, means we have to eliminate these constants. So in order to eliminate this constant, we have to differentiate this, okay, with respect to x. So come to the solution part. M is an arbitrary constant, that is a condition given. So y equal to mx plus c. This is a straight line equation given in this problem. Take this as a equation 1, okay. So now differentiate it. So if you differentiating with respect to x, we are getting y is differentiated dy by dx equal to mx is differentiated, x is differentiated is this 1 because m is an arbitrary constant. So m into 1 plus c. C also a constant, so c is eliminated. Now we eliminate m from 1. So in first equation we have to eliminate m. So substitute this value, that is dy by dx equal to m. So substitute this value in equation 1, that is equation 1 equal to y equal to mx plus c. In the place of m, you have to substitute dy by dx, that is dy by dx into x plus c, okay. So our answer become y equal to x into dy by dx plus c. So here I am writing like this: x dy by dx minus y plus c equal to 0, which is the required differential equation of first order. Listen, here I am not eliminating c. The reason is, in the question it is given m is an arbitrary constant. They are not saying about the c, okay. So if it is given like this, means you have to eliminate only m, not c. But in second subdivision it is given c is an arbitrary constant. That is they are saying about m, okay. So we are eliminating only c. Therefore I am differentiating the first equation, that is y equal to mx plus c, that is differentiated. We are getting dy by dx equal to m. Here c is eliminated. So there is no need to substitute this value in the first equation because their condition is c is an arbitrary constant. So we eliminated the c by way of differentiation. So we are getting dy by dx equal to m. That is the required differential equation, okay. So you stop the question here itself, okay. No need to substitute this value in the first equation because the c is an arbitrary constant, not m, okay. So c is eliminated. Our answer become dy by dx equal to m. The third one is about both m and c are arbitrary constants. Since m and c are two arbitrary constants, differentiating twice because there are two arbitrary constant means we have to differentiate 2 times, okay. So the first one is dy by dx equal to m, that is y equal to mx plus c is differentiated. We are getting dy by dx equal to m. It is given in the first question itself, okay. Dy by dx equal to m. So in order to eliminate m also, I am differentiating again, okay. Second differentiation, it is d square y by dx square. So if you differentiate dy by dx, you are getting d square y by dx cube equal to m equal to 0 because m is a constant. Here m and c are eliminated from given equation. So our answer becomes d square y by dx square equal to 0, which is the required differential equation, okay. Now we are going to see about the exercise 4.1 first question. Here also we are finding the order and degree, okay. The first one is about find the order and degree of the following differential equation. So first question, dy by dx plus 2y equal to x cube, okay. Here the highest order of derivative is dy by dx because y is not a derivative, okay. Dy by dx is the only derivative here. Therefore highest order of derivative is dy by dx. Therefore order equal to 1. The power of this dy by dx is 1. Therefore degree equal to 1. So order equal to 1 and degree equal to 1. The second question, d cube y by dx cube plus 3 times of dy by dx whole cube plus 2 times of dy by dx equal to 0. Listen, here 3 things are given. One is dy by dx, only 2 derivatives, that is dy by dx and d cube y by dx cube. What is the highest order of derivative? D cube y by dx cube. So that is the highest order of derivative. The power of this highest order of derivative d cube y by dx cube equal to 1, because that thing is given means the power is 1. So power of d cube y by dx cube equal to 1. Therefore order equal to 3, degree equal to 1. Degree is nothing but power. Okay, so degree here is 1. Therefore order is 3 and degree equal to 1. So the next question, find the second question, find the differential equation of the following. Y equal to cx plus c minus c cube. Okay, here c is a constant which has to be eliminated. So we are eliminate the c in order to find the differential equation. Okay, so y equal to cx plus c minus c cube. If you differentiate with respect to x, we are getting dy by dx equal to c, because c into x is differentiated, we are getting 1. So 1 into c, then plus c becomes 0. So because these things are constants, without constant is nothing but the arbitrary constant which is having no variable. Okay, so here for cx only x is the variable, so if you differentiate it you are getting 1. So 1 into c equal to c. This is the taking it as a second equation. So substitute this value, that is dy by dx equal to c in equation 1 in order to eliminate c. Okay, so dy by dx equal to c. The first equation is y equal to cx plus c minus c cube. In the place of c, I am substituting dy by dx. Therefore dy by y equal to dy by dx into x plus, instead of c I am writing dy by dx minus c cube means dy by dx whole cube, which is the required equation. So this is nothing but the first equation. I am substituting the value of c equal to dy by dx. Okay, going to the second one. Okay, that is in second question, second part. Y equal to c into x minus c whole square. This is taking it as a first equation. We have to eliminate c. So I am differentiating with respect to x. So y is differentiated, we are getting dy by dx. So c into x minus c whole square means x minus, if for example x square is differentiated means you are getting 2x. Likewise here x minus c whole square means 2 into x minus c. So we are getting 2c into x minus c. That is the second equation. So now we are getting two equations. So dividing these two equations, that is dividing 2 by 1, we are getting dy by dx divided by y equal to 2c x minus c divided by c into x minus c. That is, so second equation divided by first equation. You are getting 2 by x minus c. Now, so y is going to right side. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 2y divided by x minus c. In order to find 2y, so x minus c into dy by dx equal to 2y. Now multiply x into dy by dx and c into dy by dx. You are getting x dy by dx minus c dy by dx equal to 2y. Okay. So our aim is to find the value of c. Okay. So taking c in one side, we are getting c equal to x into dy by dx minus 2y divided by dy by dx. So taking this as a equation 3. So substitute this value in equation 1, that is c equal to x into dy by dx minus 2y divided by dy by x dx is substituted in the equation y equal to c into x minus c. Here the value of c equal to x dy by dx, that is substituted in the equation y equal to x dy by dx minus 2y divided by 2y by dx minus into x minus c. Here also this value of c equal to x minus x dy by dx minus 2y divided by dy by dx whole power 2. So y equal to, after that, after elimination, that is in order to eliminate these things, you have to multiply x into dy by dx, likewise x into 2y So you are getting like this dy by dx whole cube. After elimination, you are getting dy by dx whole cube equal to 4xy dy by dx minus 8y square. Taking all the elements in one side, we are getting dy by dx whole cube minus 4xy dy by dx plus 8y square equal to 0 is the required differential equation. Okay, so this is the sum. First you have to find the value of c. Substitute this value in the equation 1. You are getting, after solving it, you are getting this answer. Okay, so next we are going to see about the fourth question. Find the differential equation of the family of all straight line passing through the origin. The family of a straight line equal to y equal to mx. So general equation for family of lines passing through the origin. So it is passing through origin, therefore the equation becomes y equal to mx. So if you differentiate this with respect to x, y is differentiated dy by dx equal to m. Okay, so this is the second equation. So now substitute this value in the equation 1. You are getting y, that is the first equation is y equal to mx. So if you substitute the value m equal to dy by dx, you are getting y equal to dy by dx into x is the required equation. The fifth question. Form the differential equation that represent all parabolas, each of which has a lattice rectum 4a and whose axes are parallel to the x-axis. Okay, here they are saying about the parabola. Okay, already you know about the parabola, but they are saying that equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis with lattice rectum 4a. That is, lattice rectum is given as 4a. Therefore, the equation becomes y minus beta whole square equal to 4a into x minus a. So we have to find this equation. It is not given in the question. Okay, here alpha and beta is the vertex of the parabola. We have to differentiate in order to find the value of a. Here y minus beta whole square is differentiated. We are getting 2 times of y minus beta. So for y is differentiated, we are getting dy by dx equal to 4a. Okay, so this is the second equation. Again we are differentiating with respect to x. That is, the second equation is again differentiated in order to get the value of a. Therefore, if it is differentiated, we are getting 2 into y minus beta. So dy by dx square, dy by dx is differentiated, we are getting d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square equal to 0. Take it as a third equation. So from 2 we have, that is from 2 it is given that y minus beta dy by dx equal to 2a. Okay, so y minus beta, first I am finding the value of y minus beta. Y minus beta equal to 2a by dy by dx. Substitute this y minus beta value in equation 3. Okay, so equation 3, beta y minus beta equal to 2a by dy by dx. Equation 3 is 2 into y minus beta d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square. In the place of y minus beta, I am substituting this value. So we are getting 2a by dy by dx d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square equal to 0. Now I am taking LCM, dy by dx as LCM. In order to eliminate this dy by dx, we are getting 2a d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square is multiplied by dy by dx. We are getting dy by dx whole cube equal to 0 is the required differential equation. So listen students, before finding the eliminating the arbitrary constants, you have to find the value of that arbitrary constant. That is, here we are finding the value of y minus beta. So after finding this y minus beta, we are substituting in the equation in order to find the required equation. So watch these videos well. After watching it, do the assignment following this link. Thank you students.